In this section, we'll mount the push button to the chassis front bumper. First, we will slip a nylon spacer onto each of the two 20mm M2.5 pan head screws. Then insert the screws through the mounting slots of the push button. Align the mounting slots on the push button with the slots on the front bumper. Flip another nylon spacer onto each of the screw shafts so that they are pressed up against the back surface of the front bumper. Secure the push button onto the front bumper by installing nuts onto the screw shafts. Slip the push button's wire underneath the chassis lower suspension, and then up through one of the holes which can be found in the front foundation. Use wire cutters to remove one of the female housings of the jumper cables. Strip approximately 1 cm of insulation off of each of the cut ends. We will assign a letter to each of the jumper cables. So we have jumper cable A, cable B, and cable C. We'll refer to the remaining uncut jumper cable as jumper cable D. Trim both of the resistor legs to approximately be 1 cm long. Take jumper cables A and B and tightly twist their exposed copper around one of the legs of the resistor. Cut an approximately 5 cm piece of the black heat shrink. And slip it onto the jumper cable C. Tightly twist the exposed copper of jumper cable C around the unconnected leg of the resistor. Now slip the heat shrink over the resistor so that it covers all exposed metal. Use a heat gun to uniformly shrink the heat shrink. Connect the jumper cable A to the push button's white wire. And jumper cable D to the push button's black wire. Wrap electrical tape around the connection. In a later section, we will finish connecting the push button to the Jetson Nano.